What's up and welcome back. Tonight is Thursday night football between the Los Angeles Rams and the San Francisco 49ers, and we have a free play for you today. So we're going to be playing over on Sleeper today. If you guys are new to Sleeper, they're going to give you a free $20, no deposit necessary, plus a free Matthew Stafford pick just for signing up with code 907fantasy. So make sure to go over there and get signed up. But we have a good game today between the Rams and the 49ers. It's a nice game between some conference rivals there. So we're looking at Rams 8.5 point favorite, over under 44.5. I'm thinking the Rams are going to be playing from ahead most of the game. San Francisco is extremely beat up. If we look at their depth chart here, Brock Purdy's out, so Mac Jones is going to be sliding in as the QB1. And then Juwan Jennings, Ricky Pearsall are both out. George Kittle's out. Brandon Ayuk's out. Trent Taylor, Nick Bosa. A lot of big names are out, so we're going to be looking at Kendrick Bourne, Sky Moore, Valdez Scantling, and Christian McCaffrey as some of their top guys there. So we're going to be looking for that, but I'm thinking that the way the game's going to be going is that the Rams here are going to be playing from ahead, and then San Francisco is going to be having to pass. So that's what we're looking at. But if we hop over here, if you guys didn't see the free play from yesterday, make sure to go over to the Winible. This was the free play from yesterday, and you can go over there and look at that. You can get on the free plan here. Absolutely free to join, and that's where I send out multiple free plays. VIP Gold Level, College Football Season Pass, and Full Week Pass are 80% off. That ends today. So it's 80% off of those three passes with the code Taylor. So make sure to get those locked in. And then we also have the Weekend Pass for picks all the way until Sunday, through Sunday. So that's $20. But let's go over here and let's hop into what we're playing. So we're going to go over to Sleeper today. Like I said, if you guys are new to Sleeper, get on there. Use code 907fantasy. That link is down in the description below to get signed up. They're going to hook you up with $20, Matthew Stafford free pick, and you can add that to this slip. So we're going Mac Jones over 175 passing yards. Like I said, he's going to be having to pass all four quarters here for us. And then we're taking Christian McCaffrey. He's going to be their dump guy, 40 receiving yards, and then Kyron Williams over 60 rushing yards. So nice 5 into, basically double up our money there. And if you use code 907fantasy, you're going to get a $100 deposit match if you deposit money. So a ton of ways to earn some free money today. When you use code 907fantasy, go over and tail this slip. Add that Matthew Stafford free line into this pick here, and it's going to even boost it even more. So love that play. Like I said, winnable, free plan. And then the weekend pass for $20. So looking forward to tonight's games. It should be an entertaining one. It should be a high-scoring one. There's a lot of plays that I like in this one. So make sure to go over there and get on VIP to get those plays locked in as soon as you can. So good luck with all your plays today, and we'll catch you guys for some potentially Friday night football. If not, we'll catch you guys Saturday for college football. So good luck, and we'll catch you guys then. Peace out.